back to my channel. My name is Sanjana and I'm back again with an amazing recipe of healthy bread pizza. Okay, I'll show you how to prepare healthy bread pizza today, and that too without any cheese and all. It's really healthy, just try it at home. Let's see what all ingredients are required. So first of all, we are taking, this is 1 big spoon of malai we are taking, okay, and then next is 1 spoon of curd. Then this is chopped onion. 1 onion I have taken, okay, 1 onion, 1 tomatoes chopped, finely chopped, and this is 1 capsicum finely chopped. Next, some salt to taste. This is black pepper, then garam masala, and this is your red chili. Fine. Next we have taken suji. This is approximately 2 spoons of suji and some slices of bread. That's it. Now let's start off. Malai. Next we are adding in curd. All the ingredients we'll add in. Onion goes in. Tomatoes finely chopped. 1 capsicum finely chopped. Then comes your suji, goes in, and all the masalas we are adding. That's it. We'll mix all the things all together like this. This is really healthy. You can also have it in your breakfast. This I'm making for the breakfast only. Done. Now we'll close the lid and keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that suji can, it can fluff up. That's it. Now it's been 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's just check our batter. It's all ready. Now we'll take a slice of bread. We'll take butter or ghee, whatever you're having, you can take that. You can take Amul butter also. Spread it like this. Take the batter, add it on top of it. Spread it all over. And just invert this piece of bread on the tawa, and that too hot tawa, like this. We can add ghee on top of it. Let it cook for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes we'll invert it. If it's done, yeah, it's almost done. Just invert it. The aroma of this bread pizza is too good. It's lovely. Keep your gas on slow flame, please, because otherwise this pizza is gonna stuck with the tawa. Okay, so that's why you have to keep it on a slow flame. This is gonna be really yum, I tell you. It's really yummy. If there are children at your place, they are gonna love it. Let's invert it now. It's been approximately 2 minutes that I've kept it on this tawa. Yeah, look. It is getting cooked. Still, it's not completely cooked. Okay, it is in the process of getting cooked. But this is really yum. It's amazing. For those who don't like cheese, they can try this method also. And for those who want to have something healthy in the morning, they can also try this. Also, one more thing, if you don't want to use white bread, you can go for brown bread, or also you can go for multigrain atta bread. Okay, you can also go for multigrain atta bread if you don't have, like, if you want to have that one. Whichever bread you want to use, you can use that one. Okay, there's no hard and fast rule that you have to use white bread only. It's all up to you. Also, if you want to do any modifications in this, you can also do that. Like if you want to add some other veggies, you can add it. Okay, there's no problem. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ऑयल लगा दो या बटर लगा दो. That is all up to you. How much ghee or oil you want to have. Okay. This one is almost done. This is getting brown, as you can see. But let it cook for a while. Cook it on medium flame only, because if you'll go for high flame, this is gonna burn. I tell you, this is really gonna burn. This is done, we can take it aside. After inverting it, you can also press it like this, so that it gets cooked very nicely. Look, it's almost done. So my last slice of bread is also ready. Okay, this is it. So it goes something, I have already added ghee on top of the tawa, right? Now it goes something like this. I think it's almost done. Let's just check it by inverting it. Okay, मैंने लगता है चिपक गया, फिर नहीं चिपका तो नहीं उसी से. Oh wow, this is the perfect one. It's just lovely, amazing. Look, this one is just perfect. आराम नाल पुत्तर. Yum. Have a look. how amazing it looks. Let's check out how to plate it. Alright, these are the ones which we have prepared. This is another plate I have taken with a little amount of tomato ketchup. Alright, so now what I am doing is I'm taking a fork and I'm just spreading this tomato ketchup like this. It looks nice. Wow, it looks lovely. Done. Next we have to take every bread pizza, each and every bread pizza in hand one by one. It's really hot. Handle it with care and keep it like this. Alright. Next it goes like this. You can also keep it like this. It's up to you how you want to plate. Oh, it looks lovely. Or you can also do like this, or I have another one. इसको ऐसे रखेंगे, ठीक है, थोड़ा ऊपर करके. Then the other one like this, and the last one like this. It goes lovely like this. How it looks. Hi, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know in the comments how was it, and please do try it at home. I insist you to try it at home because it's really easy recipe. I tell you, it's really easy because you know what, even if you are a bachelor, you can just prepare it for yourself. Of course, even if you are living in a, like, you are living alone, you can of course make it by yourself. It's really easy. You can do it for yourself, and it doesn't even take any time. You can make it in the breakfast before office. You know what guys, it's approximately 8:45 and I have my office by 9, so I am making the breakfast early in the morning. Of course we can do it. It's not that difficult. Okay, just try it for once. Let me know in the comments. Also please show some love, share my recipe with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.